Hello and welcome to the second video in our affiliate marketing series. And I'm super excited to share with you tonight four steps that you need to start launching your affiliate marketing business. In the first video, we talked, of course, about what is affiliate marketing and what are some of the benefits of being an affiliate marketer. So if you haven't watched that video already, go ahead and stop here, go back, watch that video, and then jump into this one, because we're going to be talking about the 4 simple steps to starting your affiliate marketing business. Now, the first one is, it can take a little bit of time. I want to make sure you realize that. But starting a good, strong business is better when you can do the research. Do some research of what your market is looking for. Maybe you don't even know exactly who you're marketing to yet. And that's really the first step, is being clear on who you want to help with your affiliate marketing business. Are you wanting to help struggling marketers? Are you wanting to help people that want to lose weight? Are you wanting to help, single moms figure out how to do daycare at home? I mean, what is your niche? What is all of that? And you should take a good amount of time to do research into your business. Know your audience inside and out. What is it that they are looking for? Because you can spend a lot of time, energy, money, all of that on putting out a great series of affiliate, options for people. But if that's not what's going to serve them or help them, then you've gone to a lot of work for nothing. So know your audience and make sure that there's a demand for that product. And in the videos to come, we'll talk a lot more about how you can be sure of what demand there might be for a given product or opportunity. But this first step is critical in knowing who you are serving and what they are looking for. Okay, so do some research. Number 2, you want to decide on your platform. Decide on your platform. How are you going to attract these people to you? How are you going to tell them that you've got the solution that they're looking for? This can be a website. You can create a website. This can be on social media. You can use Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Pick a way, pick a means that you are going to use to get the message out. And if you don't know how to use these different platforms, this is the time to start investing in some education of your own so that you know how to use these different platforms. And again, these videos will help with that as well. The third step is figuring out how you are going to get traffic. Get visitors, get people, get eyeballs looking at this website or this social media post or whatever it is that you decided as your means. So how are you going to drive traffic? Have you ever driven traffic before? You can have the most beautiful website out there, but if you don't know how to get people to come visit it, then it sits there. And I know that that's not your plan. You want to get as many people to that website as you can, and learning traffic strategies should be step 3. Think about how you got started in this business, or when you've purchased something online. What was the mechanism? How is it that you found that website or that opportunity? Things that resonate with you. That's a good clue to what might resonate with your audience. And then the 4th step, and this is a tricky one too, is monetizing. You're going to want to figure out how you're going to monetize this product. So what pieces do you need to have in place to actually get the money? Are you going to use a PayPal account? Do you have a Stripe account? Do you have your own credit card reader? There's different ways that you can earn the money, and then maybe even the affiliate program themselves will have that. But beyond getting 50 cents for that or $1 for that, how are you going to monetize your business? How are you going to grow that? Now, if these 4 steps sound a little daunting to you, now have no fear. This is just kind of an overview to get you excited and have you know where you're going with your affiliate online business. Sometimes knowing what's coming or what's expected is helpful. And in the next video, we are going to dive deep in your niche market, in who you are serving, and we're going to give you some great tips for how you can find those people. So be sure to tune in and be watching for that next video on your niche market. And in the meantime, we've got a 15-day online marketing challenge that we've taken part in that we just absolutely love. And you will learn techniques, you will learn strategies, things that will really help benefit your affiliate marketing business. But that will really help you with some action steps as well. I will go ahead and put a link down in the first link in the subject, and you be sure to take a look at that 15-day challenge as well. All right, until our next video, thanks for watching. Have a great day.